Have you ever considered the possibility that your birth date might hold the key to your financial future? Across cultures and beliefs, many are convinced that the moment of our birth influences not just our health and relationships, but also our ability to attract wealth and prosperity. Imagine uncovering a hidden connection between the day you were born and the financial trajectory of your life. Astrology and numerology, ancient disciplines revered for their insight into the human condition, may hold the secrets to unlocking your financial potential. Today, we embark on a fascinating exploration of how your birth date could shape your destiny in ways you never imagined. Together, we will unravel the messages encoded in your unique date of birth and learn how to apply this wisdom to access opportunities for wealth and abundance. This journey promises to illuminate paths previously obscured, guiding us toward a future filled with hope, prosperity, and promise. It's a chance to transform the way we view our financial lives and uncover insights that can empower us in ways beyond measure. Throughout history, humans have sought answers to the age-old question, what will determine my fortune in life? From the dawn of civilization, people have looked to the stars, the numbers, and the mystical forces that seem to govern our existence. It is compelling to think that our financial destiny might be intertwined with the cosmic patterns set into motion at the time of our birth. But how can we decode these complex mysteries? That's where numerology and astrology come into play, offering profound insights into the potential pathways of our lives and the wealth we might achieve. Before we dive into this captivating topic, I ask for your support. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our Samurai Wisdom channel. By doing so, you ensure that we can continue sharing valuable insights, wisdom, and transformative content with you. Your engagement not only supports our mission, but also ensures that these teachings remain accessible to all seeking knowledge and growth. Together, let's make wisdom a shared treasure. Numbers have held a powerful place in human culture since ancient times. From the pyramids of Egypt to the philosophies of Pythagoras, numbers have been seen as the language of the universe, a bridge between the material and the spiritual realms. Numerology, in particular, seeks to uncover the hidden meanings within numbers, linking them to our personalities, destinies, and even our financial fortunes. Astrology, on the other hand, explores how celestial movements influence our lives. Together, these practices create a rich tapestry of understanding that extends beyond the physical world, offering a multi-dimensional perspective on our existence. Many people are captivated by the idea that their birth date could hold clues to their financial future. The premise is simple yet profound. By analyzing the numbers in your birth date, we can gain insights into your natural tendencies, challenges, and opportunities when it comes to wealth. For instance, numerology often involves reducing the numbers of your birth date to a single digit, revealing a core number that represents your financial essence. This number acts as a key, unlocking the door to a deeper understanding of your relationship with prosperity. Let's consider an example. If you were born on June 20th, 1990, you would add up the digits as follows: 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 equals 27. Then, reduce this sum further. 2 plus 7 equals 9. This final number is believed to carry significant meaning, offering a glimpse into your financial potential and the traits you can leverage to achieve success. By delving into such calculations, we can begin to unravel the unique narrative of your financial journey, charting a course toward abundance. For those born on the 4th, 16th, 21st, or 29th of any month, numerology paints a picture of individuals with kindness and sensitivity. However, this sensitivity often makes it challenging for them to assert their worth, leading to difficulties in financial negotiations. or claiming what is rightfully theirs. Building self-confidence is essential for these individuals, as it forms the foundation of a healthy relationship with money. Financial stability is within reach, but it requires consistent effort, strategic planning, and a belief in their own value. By nurturing these qualities, they can unlock doors to success they never thought possible. Similarly, individuals born on the 5th, 17th, 22nd, or 30th are often characterized by their creativity and innovative thinking. These traits provide a unique edge in financial matters, as they can envision and execute novel ideas. However, their challenge lies in maintaining balance. Without careful financial planning, they may fall prey to impulsive spending or extravagant habits that disrupt their economic stability. Discipline and strategic foresight are key to unlocking their financial potential. With focus and determination, these individuals can turn their creative energies into sustainable prosperity. For those with birth dates such as the 9th, 13th, 26th, or master numbers like 11 or 12, financial matters might not always take center stage. These individuals often prioritize intellectual and academic pursuits, yet they possess latent talents for economic success. By channeling their analytical skills and knowledge toward financial goals, they can build a secure future. Their journey toward wealth often involves aligning their intellectual passions with practical applications, creating a harmonious balance between their aspirations and material needs. This alignment can serve as a powerful catalyst for achieving their dreams. The 6th, 18th, 23rd, or 31st of any month marks the birth dates of tireless workers endowed with exceptional planning abilities. These individuals demonstrate unwavering dedication and a natural talent for organization. Early in life, they are likely to achieve financial stability, enjoying material comforts such as homes, vehicles, and travel experiences. Their path is one of steady growth, where each step taken with determination paves the way for lasting prosperity. Their story is a testament to the power of persistence and the rewards of careful planning. For individuals born on the 8th, 14th, 25th, or 10th, wealth manifests in both material and intangible forms. These individuals often value family, spirituality, and personal growth as much as financial success. However, balancing these priorities is crucial. By dedicating time to personal projects and aligning them with their long-term goals, they can achieve a fulfilling and prosperous life. Their ability to harmonize diverse aspects of their lives makes them unique contributors to their communities and the world at large. Each birth date is a unique piece of the cosmic puzzle, contributing distinct traits and challenges that shape our financial journey. Understanding these patterns empowers us to focus on key aspects of our lives, improving our ability to manage finances and achieve our goals. However, it is vital to approach these insights with a blend of curiosity and critical thinking. While numerology and astrology provide fascinating perspectives, financial success is influenced by a multitude of factors, including upbringing, education, environment, and personal effort. By integrating cosmic wisdom with practical strategies, we can create a powerful foundation for prosperity. The journey to wealth is rarely straightforward. It requires a combination of perseverance, strategic planning, and adaptability. By acknowledging the role of both cosmic influences and practical efforts, we can take charge of our financial destinies. This balanced approach allows us to harness the power of the universe while remaining grounded in reality. With courage and commitment, we can navigate the complexities of financial life and emerge stronger and more resilient. As we conclude this deep dive into the interplay between birth dates and financial potential, I hope you feel inspired and empowered. The knowledge we've explored today serves as a powerful tool, helping us unlock the doors to prosperity and fulfillment. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to the Samurai Wisdom channel. Together, let's continue to explore the mysteries of the universe and uncover the secrets that lead to a life of abundance and joy. Until our next adventure, may the wisdom of the cosmos guide you on your path to success and fulfillment, bringing light to every corner of your journey.